Yes.
Oh, dude, I should have done that.
Hey, so they don't realize I'm gonna come every day before work when I go to Glenstone. and when I do raise round, I go to Glenstone 3 times a day.
You're gonna tear it up.
He's gonna wait for him to change shift, but they never change. They stay here all day.
Yeah.
Is it once a day?
And Mark's like, why does Mike always park in front of that attorney's building? No, that religious seminary there.
Yeah, but isn't it as many times a day?
Yeah, that's what he said.
Yeah.
Yeah, the guy said it's free every time.
Let's see.
There's got to be a limit. It's got to be, no, he said 12 times. That's what he said. It's a dozen. That's still a deal because...
How are they going to know?
Because they probably write your thing down there or your name or something. So you figure what's 12 times 350? Not including tax is $36, $44
Damn.
Are you sure?
for 29.
It doesn't say it on there, but
Oh.
it says the first whip and spoon free. 50% more whip. You still
Oh, you know what it is? You probably got to come with your spoon. No, seriously.
Be spooning.
Mm-hmm. With a spoon in your cup. Yep, there it is. He scanned it. That's what they do. When you come in here with your cup, they scan it.
Oh, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
You
like
got 3 today.
like they do at
No. I go, no.
like they do at Universal Studio. They got a cup that does it.
Man,
Yeah,
that's
people
good.
would be taking serious advantage of that.
Oh, yeah.
I would.
Yeah, shit.